Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, I have a major announcement at the end of this video, and this video is going to be short, so please hang around and hear what I have to say. First thing though, yesterday I had to take Amy back to the ER. We got there about 11:30ish in the morning, and we got home about 8 o'clock last night. She was having real bad back pains, and you know, with the heart problems, with the stents, and just getting out of the hospital too, we was worried it was something major. I mean, she couldn't even think. I mean, she was trying to count money, and she couldn't even count money right. She was just so dizzy. She couldn't hardly talk, couldn't think right, and her back was just killing her. So we were scared it was something connected with her prior heart problems. So we took her, and they run all kinds of tests, a CT scan, all kinds of blood work, urinalysis, everything, and they came up with she's hurt her back somehow. It has nothing to do with that, so that's a blessing right there. It's nothing major. She's just hurt her back somehow, and they gave her 2 different pain meds, and they sent her home, and well, we're just hoping now that it works. At least it's nothing major. Okay, on with the stimulus stuff. Y'all, now they are saying even if we don't get a stimulus package, the economy will recover just fine without a stimulus package. If that is true, why in the hell is every other country in the world getting stimulus checks? Why is America the only one that don't need it? I will tell you exactly what we don't need. We don't need Nancy Pelosi and the Mooch Man. We're done with them. I bet it's hard being those 2 people, looking over your shoulder everywhere you go, waiting for the sound of sniper fire. Nancy Pelosi is so worried about President Trump putting his name on the stimulus checks. Come on, Nancy. It don't matter whose name is on the stimulus checks. After all, he is the president right now. Whether you like him or not, he's the president. It don't matter whose name is on it. Put Mickey Mouse's name on it. Just get the checks out. When is she going to quit thinking that this is about what she wants and not about what the American people wants? I am so sick of her. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, the announcement. My other channel, the How to Make Money channel, it's growing pretty fast with the subscribers, but the view count is still real low. It's not picking up any views from people just finding it. It's picking up views from you, the people that's on this channel, but it's not picking up views from other people. And it's just not growing. It's going to take forever to get monetized. I mean, for the watch hours. For the subscribers, it could be monetized probably next month, but you got to have the 4,000 watch hours too, or else it won't be monetized. So what I'm thinking about doing, and I'm going to start putting those videos on this channel also at 9 a.m. in the morning, just like over there. And I'm going to start this today. I'm going to just test this out and see if it works. And I know most of y'all have seen those other videos, but I'm going to slowly bring those over here too. And I'm asking you please to let it play again so I can get those views that we have over there and bring them over here. And once I do that, I will close that channel. But I just want to see how this works out, see if it helps get views on those videos. If it does, I'm going to keep doing them on this channel. If not, I don't know if I will put them back over there or not, or just keep them here. I'll have to decide that later. But y'all, starting today, you don't need to go over there to watch those videos because they will be here at 9 a.m. So I will have this video at 6 a.m., the money video at 9 a.m., and then in the day, if something major happens, I will make another stimulus video just like normal. I'm gonna see if that helps. I hope it does. Y'all also too, check out my books in the link. I got that new book I'm gonna be adding to my website in the next couple of days. I wanted to do it today, but you know, I got to take care of my wife today. Y'all, I love you all. Until 9 a.m., check out that next video at 9 a.m. on the same channel. I love you all. Ciao.